Hi guys, this is Rich from Titan Classics, and this is an unboxing video of what I hope is going to be a big bore DTR, well, a big bore piston kit for a DTR125. So this is hopefully the Athena 170cc big bore kit, and I've waited since, I don't know, the end of July. It's currently September. 2 months, a long wait. But apparently Italy, everyone in Italy goes on holiday in August, and well, manufacturing closes down in Italy in August. So let's have a look what we've got. Athena, nice. So I can't remember quite what I paid. I've got an account with a dealer. Can't remember what I paid. I think it's around about 500 quid, something like that. Head gasket, seals, gaskets, quite good. Oh, so is that a piston? Yeah, piston. Let's have a look. Stickers, always a good thing. Stickers. Oh, look at that! Woo! Yeah, that's really good. It's got like coated. That's quite a big piston, isn't it? Arrow on there pointing to the front. Like pointing. Front of the engine. God, that's really nice. Okay. Piston rings, gudgeon pin. Make sure it goes in there carefully. Right. Power valve thingy. Yeah. Right, what else? Head studs and bolts, washers, nuts rather. Head. Okay. And an insert thing. Glass type. Milled. So that must be their own casting. It says Athena on there. That must be their own casting. It's not like you can stick the head back on, the normal DTR head back on. God, that's a nice fit. Ooh. Yeah, that's good. Just put it there. Barrel. So that must be the Athena's own barrel casting as well. I always wondered if they just took the barrel off a DTR and bored it out, but no. It's nice and smooth. I wonder if it's worth getting a port-in job done on it. I'm not really bothered about that though. Yeah, it looks all good. Some more stickers. But I'd imagine if you wanted to make the bike appear to be a 125, you don't want to go sticking Athena stickers all over it, because, well, I don't know. I'll register my bike as 170cc, just because I've got a full license anyway. But any youngster who wants the full power of a bike may want to, well, that's their business. Ain't my business. If they want to fiddle around with the rules, that's their problem. Very nice. Yeah, there's no sharp edges in there either, in the whole things. Porting, is it? Anyway, overall, I'm really happy, even though it took 2 months to get hold of. But yeah, it's really good. Alright, cheers now.